By now, I'm sure you already know that use of English is compulsory in your JAMB exam. And not just use of English, there is a literary text, a novel that must accompany use of English. There is a novel that they will derail you on. JAMB wants to know how far you are able to comprehend literary text, how far you are able to comprehend novels, literary writings. This one is not just for those doing literature. Of course, if you're offering literature, you will read extra materials, extra novels. But if you are a JAMB candidate, it is compulsory that you must read a particular novel. So every year, JAMB recommends a novel for people to read. Sometimes they repeat novels. And last year, it was The Life Changer. Many of you don't even know that the book JAMB recommends has been changed, right? Now, in this video, I'm doing something exceptional for you regarding what JAMB just recommended. This year, they just said we should go and read Lekki Headmaster. Lekki Headmaster. Lekki Headmaster. Now, by Kade Alabi Galba. Some of you already have the book. Some of you have started reading it. If you have started reading it, you can let me know. Then some of you have not registered for JAMB. You have not even gotten the book. Some are still even confused on how to get Lekki Headmaster. The first message I have in this video is that you don't need to buy this book. You don't need to buy Lekki Headmaster. Why? By the way, if you watch this particular video you are watching now, if you watch it from now to the end, I'm going to send you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables. I will send you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables for you as a way of preparing you, because in this channel, our goal is 300 and above. My goal in this channel is for you to get at least 300 and above in your JAMB. If you claim it, let me know. Type I claim it in the comment section, right? So we don't have time. One of the things you need to do whenever you register for your JAMB is to insist that they give you Lekki Headmaster. It is part of the things you pay for. That is why I said in the thumbnail, you don't need to pay for the book again. You don't need to. Once you are as a JAMB candidate, the money, I think 1,000 or 1,500. The money for this book is already calculated into what you'll be paying. That is the way it has been. That is the way it has been. So anywhere you go to register for your JAMB, ask them to give you a copy, free copy of Lekki Headmaster JAMB novel for that year. Now listen. Getting the book is not enough. I've gotten a lot of complaints. People saying that they don't even understand this book, that the book makes them to sleep and all the rest. But to me, the book is a very interesting one. And there are two things. In fact, three things I've done for you in the book. Number one, I've read the book for you, chapter by chapter, and reviewed it. I brought out a video. This is the video on the screen. Read chapter 1 and reviewed it. Read it from beginning to end, chapter 1, reviewed it, brought out time, read chapter 2, reviewed it, brought out time, read chapter 3, reviewed it, brought out time. That is the way we've reviewed all the chapters. How many chapters has Lekki Headmaster? If you don't know, let me know. If you know, tell us in the comment section. Tell me, find out for me and tell us in the comment how many chapters Lekki Headmaster have. So I've read all the chapters for you, chapter by chapter. Every chapter of Lekki Headmaster, we've looked at it. So I've done in-depth analysis of Lekki Headmaster. One more thing I've done, the second thing I've done is I've given you expo questions. I tell people that this year, last year's JAMB, 1.4 million people failed JAMB out of 1.9 that passed. So we are going to be serious from all aspects. It is to your own advantage if you know the questions that will come out. If you have an idea of the likely questions that will come out from Lekki Headmaster before you enter into the JAMB hall, right? So I've been doing a series of videos. We actually reviewed 195 possible questions JAMB could ask you. That is questions they could ask from chapter 1 to chapter 12. I reviewed 195. Look at this expo. Expo 1. So we did Expo 1, we did Expo 2, a video. We were reviewing 44 Expo 3 videos, questions from Lekki Headmaster, so that as you are entering the hall, you are very prepared. As you are entering the jam hall to write, you will be very prepared. We have done over 40 videos on Lekki Headmaster. In this channel, Novel Tutorials, I've done for you 40 videos on this very book. I've reviewed, in fact, if you watch the videos we have done on Lekki Headmaster, it is not possible for you to fail even one question. It's not possible for you to fail even one question from the book Lekki Headmaster. It's impossible, because I've reviewed it, then I've given you the expo question, then I've summarized the book for you. If it is a summary you need, we have given you a summary of the book, in-depth summary, short summary of everything the book is talking about. So if you are reading it and you're not understanding, do let me know, right? So I've been doing expo questions on the book, right? Then chapter by chapter until chapter 12. The book has about 12 chapters, right? Okay, I said don't read this book. If you can't read the book, what you need to do is go over to our channel and begin to watch the videos we have done chapter by chapter. If you watch all the videos we have done from the video 1 to the 40th and something video, if you watch all of it, even if you don't eventually sit down to read this book, or that you are reading it right now and you are not understanding, it is not possible for you to fail any question from Lekki Headmaster in use of English. If you follow the videos we have done, it is impossible for you to fail the questions from Lekki Headmaster. One more thing I've done for you is that I now started looking at chapter by chapter, questions that could come in chapter by chapter. So I brought out chapter 1 and looked at all the questions that JAMB could say from chapter 1. I gave it to you. Then I did another video on chapter 2. Expo question that could come from that particular chapter. We did for chapter 3. That is how we did virtually for all the chapters. Chapter 3, chapter 4, all the chapters I brought out chapter by chapter. Now, for you, simply start now to be serious, become much more serious with this book. Don't join the people that say they are reading the book is making them sleepy. Don't join the people that say if they see the author of the book, they will say this one and this one, that the book is making them to fall asleep, that anytime they open the book they begin to. You are not among them. You are one of those that will score 300 and above in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. You are one of those that will come back to me with a testimony that you have gotten admission and that will score 300 and above, right? So don't join those that are wasting their time. Don't join those that have not started reading. Don't join those that are camouflaging by going to JAMB centers to waste their time. You are a star. You are going to get admission this year. You will get that course you are looking for. You will get that particular university or polytechnic or college of education you are looking for, right? So let us get to work. Read your books. Read Lekki Headmaster. Watch the videos we have done, right? Watch the videos we have done. Then ask me questions. Then the key is to study with past questions. Study with past questions. If you want me to give you past questions, if you want me to give you syllabus, free syllabus on the 4 subjects you are writing, past questions on the 4 subjects you are writing, just do 4 things. Join our YouTube channel. You can see an option up there to join. Join our YouTube channel. Then like this video, share this video. Just click on share this video, copy the link, share it on all the WhatsApp platform, all the Facebook group, WhatsApp group for JAMB candidates. Share it also on YouTube. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Novel Tutorials. Subscribe to what? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Novel Tutorials. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Novel Tutorials, I will chat you up and send you all the materials you need. All these materials, I promise, I will chat you and send them to you. So go ahead, join our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it right now and watch.